Alright, did my best at taking this laptop apart, and I'll try to give you a few informational things about the hardware inside of it. First of all, the hardware is everything basically that you can, I guess, touch. Your software would be like your apps, your programs and stuff like that. So we'll just take a quick look at some of the software. I couldn't get it all the way taken apart, but I did get some of the way. First thing I noticed when I opened it up was just your battery, which I remember reading is basically to just control your internal clock. The next thing right next to that was my Wi-Fi link, which I disconnected a little bit just to see what was behind it. Just going to allow us to connect to the internet wirelessly. From there, I went up a little further, and these were positioned right in here. I went ahead and took them out. They were sitting in there like so. And that is your RAM, which allows us to do multiple things at once, basically. And each of those are 2 gigs. From there, we come over here a little bit, and we have the hard drive, which was actually more simple to take out than I thought it would be. I just took out 2 screws and it came right out. So here's our hard drive. Then over here on the side, since I couldn't actually get into everything, we have our audio jacks, a couple headphones, and a microphone. We also have a couple USB ports, allowing us for some little external memory, flash drives, mouse, things like that. And then you have your Ethernet port and your video port, I guess I would call it. And next to that we have our HDMI. Flipping over to the other side, we have our CD drive on the side there, and another USB port along with our power port. And we also have a memory card slot here, I guess is what I would call it, right here. I could not fully get to the motherboard. I did my best, but I couldn't pull this off without breaking it. So I don't think we can see it real well, but my motherboard is right there, and if I had a little bit better light, we can see my processor right here. So there would be the motherboard. So that was about all I could access on this computer. I do know that the fan is right in there, but I could not quite get to it.